Hi guys, 안녕하세요. Welcome to Asian Delights Kitchen. Today we are going to make beef bulgogi, a sweet, savory, and tender Korean-style barbecue that is very easy to make and delicious. Let's get started. One of the main ingredients to make an authentic Korean bulgogi sauce is Asian pear. It is very crunchy, juicy, and will give the meat a natural sweet flavor. Peel and core the pear, then cut half of it to chunks. Asian pear and onion both contain enzymes that have a tantalizing effect on the meat. Prepare the rest of the ingredients. Add in the prepared ingredients in a blender or food processor and the rest of the ingredients listed on the screen now. Grind them finely, finer the better. I've tried many store-bought sauces, but all of them turn out to be too sweet to me. Making it from scratch, you can control the sweetness and it's quite easy. We're using 1 pound of store-bought ribeye thin slices today. Flank steak and skirt steak is also recommended. If you are slicing your beef at home, place it in a freezer for 30 minutes. Slice across the grain into thin slices around 2 millimeters. Separate beef slices and place it in a container or Ziploc bag. Pour in the marinade mixture. Then put in the fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour or overnight. Turn the heat to high on your skillet. Add in oil and spread well. Add beef slice in a single layer. Cook around 1 to 2 minutes until meat changes color. Flipping the meat over and fry until it turns golden brown and the juice is released. Take the beef out into a container and drain the remaining sauce. Then set aside. Reheat the sauce to serve on the side or over the meat. Cook the beef again to slightly charred before serving. Garnish with green onions and sesame seeds. Serve with rice, kimchi, side dishes, or wrap in lettuce to enjoy. Alrighty, thank you for watching today. Try to make this delicious and easy bulgogi recipe at home. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.